Assalamualaikum KG class, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and enjoying good health at home. My this video lecture is related to GK book, and today we are going to read about people who help us. We will know who are the people who help us. First one is here on your book page. One doctor is here, a doctor. If I am ill, I am not well, who will help me? Can you tell me? A doctor. Who will help me? A doctor. And when I am ill, she gave me a sweet pill. That one is a nurse. A nurse helps us. Next one is a teacher. We have to learn to read and write each and everything from our teacher. So teacher help us. And one more person is here, a banker. Our money he keeps safe in the bank, and that one is a banker. Your money is safe in the bank, and that help us to save there, a banker. Okay, so turn your next page. Here you can see a man is here, a postman. Which one is this one? A postman. Letters and parcel have come for me. Who is that we see? वो कौन होता है जो आपके लिए लेके आता है? That one is a postman. And the next one is driver. My school bus gets me to school every day, and that one is driver. After driver you can see here a girl. That one is a barber, a hairdresser, and she work in parlor and barber shop. She help us to cut our hairs. And the last one person is here. That one is a carpenter. A carpenter made bed, table, chairs, each and everything of furniture for us. Okay. So here is one more page for you. Here you can see a shopkeeper is here. I need so many things for my house. He will have them without a doubt. So that one is a shopkeeper. Next one more person is here, and that one is a gardener. A gardener help us to take care of our garden. And the next one is a plumber. The tap are leaking. There is water everywhere. Then who will help us? A plumber. हमें नल कौन ठीक करके देगा? टैप कौन ठीक करके देगा? A plumber. One more person is here. That one is a cobbler. I need someone to mend my shoes and make them shiny. So who will help us? A cobbler. Now here is one page for you. You have to draw lines to match the helper to their tools. If barber hairdresser is here, so which tool he and she use? A doctor, which tool he and she use? A carpenter, which tool should he use? One driver and one cobbler is also here, so you have to match them according to their tools. Okay, do it and take care of yourself. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.